Hello students, in this session I am going to discuss about calculation of metal-metal bond. Okay, it is very important area. This type of question will ask in NET exam. Okay, you study this one carefully. So, how we calculate metal-metal bond in organometallic compound? Okay, so first step 1, determine total valence electron, like 18 electron rule. According to neutral atom method, you calculate first total valence electron in entire molecule. Then that is we can term it as A. Okay. Then step 2, subtract A from n into 18. N means number of metals in the complex. So n into 18 minus A. Then we get B. Okay. Then step number 3, B by 2. This B by 2 gives total number of metal-metal bond. Okay, B by 2 gives total number of metal. This is our answer. Then A by N gives the number of electron per metal. Okay, so you can learn by doing some example. Okay, here you see Fe3CO12. So we have to calculate how many metal bond is here. So first you calculate total valence electron, that is A, total valence electron A. So neutral atom method, Fe8, outer shell electron 8, so 3 number of Fe, 3 into 8 plus 12 into 2, so 48. A is the 48, total valence electron 48. Then 18 into n minus A, 18 into n number of metal atoms, 3, number of metal atoms 3, so 18 into 3 54 minus A 48, so we get 6. Okay, so we get 6. Then total number of metal bond, so B by 2, that means B 6 we get, 6 by 2 gives 3 is the total number of metal bond. Then how many number of electron per metal? So that means per metal one metal how many number of electron? Okay, so A by N, A is 48, so 48 divided by N means number of metal atoms 3, so 48 divided by 3 is 16. So for one metal carrying 16 electron. Okay, then other thing also will get, just 18 is the stability, 18 electron rule. You just subtract 18 from 16 from 18, so 2, you will get 2. So one metal carrying 2 bond. For example, here Fe3CO12. If you want to draw the structure, okay, then you see one metal carry 2 bond. How you get 2 bond? 18 minus 16, 2 bond. So Fe, one metal carry 2 bond. This 2 metal bond, Fe. Here Fe, here one bond, Fe. Then each metal carry 16 electron. Okay. So 16 electron means 16 total 16 into 3 48. So total valence electron 48. So 3 metal atom 48. Okay, 1 metal 16 electron. Did you get this one? First you calculate total valence electron according to neutral atom method. So you get A 48. Then for getting B, 18 into n minus A. N is the number of metal atom. So here 3. So 54 minus 48, 6. Okay, that is the B. Then how many total number of metal bond? So B by 2. 6 by 2, that is 3. 3 metal bond. Here see, 3 metal bond. 3 metal bond. Here 3 metal bond. 1, 2, 3. 3 metal bond. Then one metal, how many number of electron carrying? A by N. So A 48 divided by N 3. N number of metal atoms 3. So 16. So one metal carrying 16 electron. Okay. Then one metal, how many? One metal bonded to how many metal atom? So you know 18. 18 electron. 18 minus 16. 18 minus 16, you get 2. 2. Though that is one metal atom have 2 bond with the other metal atom. Okay. Then another example, eta 5 Cp MoCO twice all twice. That means eta 5 C. So first you calculate A, total valence electron. So 5 eta 5 Cp 5 plus MO 6. Then CO2 4, 2 into 4. So 15 we get the all twice. So 15 into 2 30. Okay, total valence electron 30. Then 18 into N minus A. So 18 into N number of metal atom. So number of metal atom 2. So 18 into 2 36. 36 minus A 30. So 6. Okay. Then total metal bond 6 by 2. B by 2. B here 6. 6 by 2 3. Okay. So total 3 metal bond. Then how many number of one metal atom, how many number of metal electron carrying? So A by N. A here 30. 30 divided by N 2 metal atom. So 30 divided by 2, that is we get 15. So one metal atom have 15 electron. Then one metal atom, how many number of bond is there? So 18 minus 15, that is 3. So we can put the structure here like that. MO, triple bond MO. One metal atom 3 bond. One metal atom 3 bond. Then one metal atom attached to 3 bonds. Then one metal atom have 15 electron. Then 15 plus 15 30. Okay. Like that you calculate. This is very important question, how to calculate metal bond. Okay. Then other one, this type of question will ask for CSR net exam. The just one some example, the neutral complex which obeys the 18 electron rule is. So you just neutral complex which obey 18 electron rule, you just calculate every compound according to neutral atom method. Okay, you calculate which one is 18 electron, that is the answer. Here this is the answer. Okay. Then here also you just calculate and I think this is the answer. Chromium 6, CO2 6 into 2 12. So 18 electron. This type of question will ask for net exam. This is I think that CSR net exam in June 2017 questions. So here bond this 5 carbon atom bonded to Cu. So hapticity 5 plus copper 11 CO not cobalt, CO carbonyl group 2, total number 18 electron. Like that you calculate 5 Mn 7 2 CO 4 16 electron. Here 5 6 17 electron. Then 5 plus 5 vanadium 5. Then here 8, total 18 electron. So D is the correct answer. D and A is the correct answer. Okay. Next question, choose the isoelectronic pair among the following. Isoelectronic pair M. What is isoelectronic? Same number of electron. So if you see this type of question, you just calculate total valence electron. Then same number of here it has I solved these questions. This is 18 electron, this is also 18 electron. So answer is second, B and C. isoelectron, same number of 18, 18. Here is 17, this is a 16. So not okay. This one is correct, 18 electron. Okay, B and C. Okay. Then other type of question, very long question. This also in 2018 question paper, CSIR. So here the reaction of NaMnCO5 with CH2 CH2Cl gives A along with NaCl. Photolysis of A result in B along with the elimination of CO. The correct structure of formulation of compound A and B. This question as in a 4 mark question in a C part. So this type of question will see you just calculate total valence electron. I calculate this one, total valence electron 18 electron. Here also 18 electron. Second option, I calculate this 19 electron. This I calculate 20 electron. Then here other one calculate 16 electron, one part 16 electron. Then here also 20 electron. Then here 18 electron. Here also 17 electron. Okay. So the first option, see, this is 18 electron, this is also 18 electron. I think that is which is obey 18 electron, that is a stable compound. So the correct answer is first option, first one. So that two obey 18 electron, other not, one 19 20 electron, other next one 16 20 electron, next 18 and 17 electron. So both obey 18 electron, that is the correct answer. So okay, the reaction of NaMnCO5 with this compound gives A. This is the compound A. Then this A undergoes photolysis, gives B along with the elimination of CO. That means one CO group is eliminated. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 CO group. Here is the 4 CO group. So this is the correct answer. Okay. But this type of long question also will come. So you not bother about that. Just you this type of question coming. If it is organometallic compound, you just know the you just calculate total valence electron. So if it is obey 18 electron, maybe that is the correct answer. Okay. So for your net exam, this type I think 25 mark question will ask this section. This chapter only. Calculate 18 electron, then metal bond, then this type of different part. Okay. Then other thing also I shall teach you next section. Okay, but this chapter I think 25 mark questions. So you learn, solve number of this type of question. Then you have to confident in one of the method, neutral atom method. If getting any structure, you have to know how to calculate this one. Okay, so you take some number of books and you solve it. Then you will be confident. This type of question if coming, you can answer. Okay. Okay. So I shall give my assignment is that is I shall put that 2019 June question paper. You have to solve this type of questions. Okay. Thank you.